how to make a photo collage on an iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful photo collage on your iPhone in just a few minutes. First, open up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This app is a gateway to creating custom shortcuts that can simplify your task. So at the bottom of the app, you'll see Gallery. Tap on it, and then on the search bar, type Photo, and Photo Grid will appear. Tap on the plus icon to add the shortcut to your collection. This will allow you to create a collage effortlessly. Now, once you have done that, tap on Cancel and then go to your shortcuts. Photo Grid will appear here. Now, tap on it. Choose the photos that you want in the collage. Once you've selected it, tap on Add. And then now what you have to do is tap on the drop down and then save to photos and it will be added to your gallery. There you go. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.